friends, here's a lot of packet of fun for you. This is a page that talks about what kind of tools you'll use in a garden. So first here's a flower pot, a trowel, which is kind of a shovel that you use for gardening, a lawnmower to cut the grass, gloves because you want to protect your hands. Here's a garden tool bag to hold everything, a rake, a watering can, a shovel, and a wheelbarrow. Now these cards you could use to look how to spell things. You could look at the pictures. You can also make a copy of this and have two and play a memory game. Here's also some things you'll find in there. Some seeds, the roots, which grow at the bottom, the stem of a flower, leaves, the air that goes whoosh, the actual flower part, the rain, the soil, and the sun. On this page, it says gardening tools. So you're going to draw a line from the gardener, which is the girl here, to the tool she needs to work in her garden. For example, would she need a trowel? Yes, she would. Would she need a xylophone? That would be very silly, wouldn't it? So you would not do that, but you draw it to the trowel. So have fun with that. On this one, you're going to match the lowercase letters, which are down here, to the uppercase letters. So for letter M, you're going to match it to letter M down here. So you're going to cut this out and glue it underneath. Here's a spot to practice your name. And then on here, you're going to cut out the numbers and count how many flowers and make a match. For example, here's 2, 1, 2. You're going to go down here and find number 2, and you're going to place it in there. And there's a whole bunch of numbers here with gardening things, such as a watering can, a wheelbarrow, some pots, and some hoses. How many are there? You can use your clip that we sent earlier to do this by cutting it out, or you could circle the number, or you can keep going back. You can put a little marker on there. I have a paper clip I'm going to use right now. So number 1, you can do that. Then there's also some seeds, trowel, a rake, and a flower patch. Some more rakes and some squirt bottles. On here, you're seeing from seed to flower. So this is the order that it goes in. So it starts as a seed and sprouts a little bit, then it grows some roots, the roots set in the soil and it starts to grow, then the flower starts to bud, and then you have your flower. You can cut these out and mix them up and decide what order they go in. And then here's parts of a flower. The petals, the leaves. So here's the words, work on that. And here's plant parts, what the plant parts are and the plant needs, such as the leaves would be the part of a flower. The sunlight is something that a plant needs. Here on the playground garden, you're going to find letters that are down here. So for example, you're going to find uppercase or lowercase d, uppercase or lowercase e, uppercase or lowercase f. So you're going to find D. Where are you going to find that? There it is. So you can circle it, or you can put your marker on top of it, such as this. And then you can play it over and over. Then here's a song that you can sing to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, called In My Garden. Here's a springtime read, because we're in springtime now. It's called The Rainbow is Red, Orange, and Yellow. So you can color that. Do something else for the butterfly, the sun, the frog is green, the watering can is orange, the clouds are gray, the bug is red, the umbrella is purple, the bird is blue. And then here are some writing skills that you can practice with your pencil, your marker, your crayon. And you're going to get the little worm all the way to the leaf. This one's kind of a twirly one. So remember to hold it in your hand and point. Enjoy. And then here's some other fun ones. Different ways. This one's practicing circles. Or you can just make the circles this way. And some more. And our last page. Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.